Hello everybody, this is my Zenith Trans Oceanic H500, which I'm getting ready to go through and restore. I'll give you a before and after and what I find on this. It's in pretty decent shape. Picked this up at an antique store here for 40 bucks. And give you an idea. Overall case is fairly decent. Most of this, like this, will probably just rubbing against the paint on the wall, it'll come off. Case is pretty decent. It doesn't. Some Armor All, some automotive interior cleaner. Case will look pretty nice because it's not peeling or anything like some of these are. The brass there's fairly decent, a little tarnished. And there's the antenna which comes off. And yeah, you got some crazing here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but typical. Not that big a deal. There you can see it a little bit now. Once I polish that down very carefully, make sure you don't rub off the numbers on the back side. It'll look better. And here's the chassis. Mostly all original. I put it on paper here because I'm going to take it off, brush, and gently remove all the dust. There's the grill. And here's what I found blowing on it so far. Lift this baby up. See that one resistor here blowing pretty nicely. And I believe that's a bumblebee cap is all split in half. You can see it right there underneath here. Yeah, I don't know what these people did before because the rectifier is not even connected. Same thing, just two leads here. Normally you'd have your resistor. Well, this goes to here. You know, what kind of hack job somebody did here in the past. You never know what people do. They'll follow the schematic and don't put it back how they should. I have the schematic and you gotta make heads or tails of what's going on here. Some fried wiring in there. And everything else is pretty well original. Doesn't look like anybody's hacked too much except for this area. This is your 105 to 117 volt switch. We don't have a 105 around anymore. Back then the voltages were lower than today. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting. That's fried. Okay. It's nasty. Yeah, but, oh. Right there, hack job and fried the hell out of that son of a bitch there. So I gotta fix that. Oh well. Everything else is alright. I hope. I mean, everything else is working properly. It's all fairly clean. Not too much oxidation. Seen some of these look like they've been dipped in salt water. This one's alright. A little switch goes up top of the case. It should be pretty interesting. Alright, well that's it for this part. And get it, go parts supply store and try to get some parts for it and fix it. And I gotta check the selenium rectifier. Either to bypass it like they recommend, put diodes with a resistor and go from there. Thank you. Enjoy the video.